On this day, the 10th of January, 1430, the foundation of the Order of the Golden Fleece. Philip the Good, Duke of Burgundy, founded the Order of the Golden Fleece to celebrate his marriage to Isabella of Portugal in 1430. It was, and still is, considered the most exclusive and most expensive order of chivalry in the world. The order initially had 24 members, the Duke and 23 of his knights. This was later increased to 31 and then 51 members. Philip issued a proclamation in which he stated that the order was being founded for the reverence of God and the maintenance of our Christian faith, and to honour and exalt the noble order of knighthood. The order's badge is a fleece hanging on a chain. The choice of the Golden Fleece recalled the story of Jason and the Argonauts. It attracted contemporary criticism, notably from France, because Jason wasn't only a pagan hero, but was guilty of misdeeds in his quest to recover the fleece. The fact that it was France who were throwing jibes at Philip's order is telling. The story of the Golden Fleece was about recovering a relic that would bestow kingship on the bearer. It spoke directly to Burgundian desires to become independent from France, and for the Duke to become a king. It was precisely what France had feared and fought against, so Philip's fairly clear statement of his hopes was a direct threat to French control of Burgundy. When Mary of Burgundy married Maximilian, control of the order passed to the Habsburgs and then into Spain. When that line failed in 1700, control was disputed between Spanish and Austrian rulers, each appointing their own members to the Order of the Golden Fleece. The exclusivity remained, though. Membership of the order was restricted to Roman Catholics of the highest nobility. In 1430, to celebrate his marriage to a daughter of a king, Philip established an order of chivalry that spoke to Burgundian desires for independence and for a crown. The order survived for centuries, remaining prestigious and exclusive, but Burgundy would never become the kingdom Philip had envisaged.